The Galaxy Watch OG and why you should buy it.
5 reasons why you should get it this year, next year, full stop, and we had some fun doing it.
It's against the law to operate your mobile device while driving. It will be sending you a fine of £200.
Yeah, I would actually like to see you try that. I presume my husband has something to do with it. The Galaxy Watch OG, we think, has been misrepresented in the Samsung Galaxy Watch lineup. It's often seen as a predecessor to the Active 2, when we actually think it should be in a category of its very own.
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. We've done plenty of videos for the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and we think you should consider the Galaxy Watch over that, and we're going to give you exactly 5 reasons why this is the case. Number 1, software update. And the latest software update for the Galaxy Watch really brings it all together. It has all the perks and features of the Galaxy Watch 2, one UI, and it has an enhanced Bixby support, it has more health accuracy feature, more watch faces, you name it.
Yeah, and we've seen actually the initial reviews came up with a whole lot of things that don't work on the Galaxy Watch.
But now it is working. Certain apps are working now, and because Samsung updates all their, like, let's say, older watch line, it becomes more attractive than ever.
Reason number 2 are the applications available. We now have YouTube.
Boba Fett, Kylo Ren, Darth Vader, you name it. We're going to show you right now these watch faces, and if you already have your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2.
We have navigation.
Head towards predecessor.
And we have Uber.
I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hands.
We have Spotify.
Ooh, we've got it all. We've got Samsung Pay. We obviously have also the standard notification, email, text, messaging, all built in that beautiful Galaxy Watch, and also built in GPS.
3 days later. Reason number 3, the Galaxy Watch 46mm is available in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and LTE.
And you know we are big fans of LTE, and all you've seen in our previous category is available as a standalone feature, and that is pretty cool, right? So you can make emergency calls.
I'm on my watch, how can I help you?
You had your license plate pulled up on our new mobile device usage cams, and we wanted to check if you were texting or using your mobile device while driving Tuesday last week.
Of course not.
Or simply just listen to Spotify on the go without your phone. And I think that's a pretty cool feature to have in any event.
Or watch All-Star Space on the go. Reason number 4 is the awesome, and not just little bit, but awesome amount of battery life. We're talking not 1 day, not 2 days, but actually up to 5 days of moderate use.
Samsung claims up to 7 days. We never came to this. We had 5 days as moderate use. And if you have like heavy usage, you listen to Spotify, you do all the stuff you do in normal life, you come to 2 to 3 days easily. That's doable. However, we have to mention that the LTE version, when you use that as a standalone without your phone, it will drain your battery. And the reason being is that it looks for the signal for the tower, and that is the reason why it drains so quickly. It could be anything from 6 hours depending on your usage up to a full day. Bear that in mind. However, bigger is better. Battery life is pretty cool.
Reason number 5 for us is the design. It comes in 42mm and 46mm, a variety of colors, and we personally love the physical rotating bezel.
One of my standout features, and it has the vibrant OLED display I also like. Military grade durability, sounds pretty cool. It probably is pretty cool. 50-meter, waterproof, and it looks like, design-wise, like a chronograph. You have endless watch faces, you can customize that, and that is a feature we really like. There's not many watches out there you can do that.
So what do you think about the Galaxy Watch? Are there any points for you where it wins over the Active 2, or is the Active 2 the all-round winner for you?
Let us know in the comments below if the Galaxy Watch is attractive to you, if you're going to buy one. Let us know what you think about it. We're really super interested. We think it's a winner. Thank you for watching. Jens here from All-Star Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Peace out.